Hello friends, it's Reza. Thank you for coming to channel Reza Blade. And today I have a special surprise for you. I have an unboxing video. This does include the June My Mani box from Beautometry. I'm pretty excited to see what's in it. I do want to give you guys a heads up that I had mostly recorded this video. I was about 5 minutes in when my phone died. And I lost the footage, so most things are already open, but I have not used these things before. So let's see what we've got, and that'll also tell you what's in store for, you guys know I'm in the middle of my 30 and 30 take 3. That means it will be the the third time that I will have done the 30-day challenge of 30 reviews in 30 days. So these things will be reviewed very quickly, and you will want to make sure you're subscribed so that you get all the updates about me releasing videos. They're going to be fun. Okay, so without any further ado, let's see what's here. This is stuff that I ordered, and this was a surprise. This is very fun. So let's see. We have, from Hit the Bottle, we have a stamping polish. Let's see what color this is. Poison Apple. This is one of my favorite colors that she does, so this is really exciting. I'm so excited. And from Beautometry, we have some latex peel. It's a cuticle guard for when you are stamping or doing intricate nail work and you don't want anything on your cuticles or skin. That is awesome. I like the color. We have, this is from Femme Fatale, made in Australia. This is exciting. The color is called Fates Bound Together. Let's see if I can open this without destroying my nails. Ooh, okay. Very cool. This is really lovely. Now I've got a nail here. Just a clear one, just a white one, so that we can see what color. Ooh, wow. Do you guys see those flakies? That is beautiful. Just gorgeous. Wow. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, well that's exciting. That is very exciting. All right, so looks like the last thing is the plates. Oh wait, no, something else is in here. Is it a glass cuticle? A glass nail file? Oh, it is. This is exciting. Oh, this is awesome. Sorry, I just love glass nail files. So let me put this box aside now that I am through with figuring out what mostly is coming out of it. I'll put the nail polish aside, and let's see what's in here. We have 2 MoYou London plates. I think this one is brand new. 33 Explorer. I haven't seen this before. Let's see. Oh, llamas! Oh, that is awesome! You guys, this is awesome. This one is called, this mani box has a passport or travel theme. So it looks like we're going to South America. Oh, look. Okay, you've got a couple of marble tiles on this plate. Awesome. Okay, so I'll be reviewing those. Well, I'll be reviewing and doing a mani with the whole My Mani box in the next couple of days, so be on the lookout for that. All right, and where are we going now? Miami. Very cool. Now this is Mix and Match Collection 13, and we've got an old school telephone. This looks like a Miami Vice plate. Oh, cool. It says Vice. I don't know if you watched the show, but it's an iconic show from the 80s. Very, very neat. All right, guys. So, like this video if you enjoyed seeing what was in the My Mani box this month. This is a great one. I really do like the Beautometry My Mani box. They always have great surprises for me. It's like doing a challenge, and you know, they send you the stuff every month and you get to, it's just a little spark to your creativity. I really enjoy it. So if you have questions about how to acquire the My Mani box or subscribe, I'll have information in the description box of this video. And again, be on the lookout for some more reviews coming up. And well, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and really quick. Sorry. I sounded like I was summing up, and then all of a sudden I'm like, nope, I'm going to go ahead and do 5 more minutes. So these are items that I ordered, and I might as well show you guys what's coming up as far as items that I'm reviewing soon, because we do have some more days left in the 30 and 30 take 3. So this 115 I had, but this 116 is new to me, and it has all sorts of really cool messaging, like this girl can, and sparkle all day, freaking majestic. I really love the messaging on this plate. So I'll be reviewing 115 and 116 together within the 30 and 30 take 3 period. Here is a festive collection plate from MoYou London, and this one's number 53. Wow, they must have a lot of them. And this is minis, and all these cute people are Halloween themed. So I'm a big fan of this plate. I think it's really adorable. All right, so there's that one. And if I recall correctly, this sci-fi plate is just wonderful. Let's see, number 10. And we've got some cool messaging on this one too. It says, take me away, lost, you wish, I need more space, spaced out. Very cool. And I love these tiles here. Just, I'm super crazy about them. So I'm looking forward to that, to reviewing that. I'm doing a mani for you guys. We have Sailor number 16. Now I ordered the small version of this plate because I wanted this tile right here, and it was not available on the big version. So let me show you real quick what this has. Excellent. That's a pretty cool plate. All right, I've got 2 more for you. I have a Sugar Bubbles Labyrinth, the movie plate. This is number 72. This is a newer one from them. And Labyrinth is one of my 5 favorite movies. Comment below if you like it too. Let me know, because I'll be doing a mani, I'm sure. All right, so this is upside down. We have the Clear Jelly Stamper collaboration with Natasha Dauncey. This is the Morocco plate, and this review is coming up too. I might review the Poet plate at the same time, and I might not. So anyway, if you enjoyed taking a look at all these lovely things in my package, give me a like. Let me know below what you're most interested in seeing soonest. And I am usually pretty good about being able to take people's advice. Unless I get like 20 requests for different plates, I should be able to listen to you guys and do what you want me to do first. So I will see you guys later today, early tomorrow, whatever. Next time you see me, I'll be doing a review. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe once more. Sorry. And I'll see you later. Bye.